How to increase US Bancorp credit card limit. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In order to request a credit limit increase on your credit card using the digital bank, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to go and log into your account, and then you need to choose the credit card you'd like to request an increase on. Next, you need to go ahead and select account services, then choose request credit limit increase. After you've done that, you need to go ahead and provide the income and asset information, then select continue to housing, and then answer the question, then select review my request. Check the box at the top, and if your account has multiple owners and everyone shares the same address, if the box is changed, they won't ask for the owner's housing information. You could go ahead and verify the details are correct, then select submit my request. Combine the housing payment including the full payment or full amount paid each month, and then the proportion of the housing payment we're looking for its specific dollar amount each individual owner is responsible for. Now, by following the steps, you should be able to increase the credit limit, and at the same time you should also have a clear history, as well as you should have a clean record on the US Bancorp. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.